Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos, helping you learn English fast. This morning in class I had one of those slightly awkward moments that sometimes arise when one of my students admitted her enthusiasm for the music of Ed Sheeran. Now, to say I don't like Ed Sheeran's music would be something of an understatement. I can't stand it. Given the choice of listening to it again or cutting off one of my own ears, I would take the latter option, personally. So the conversation went something like this. So, what kind of music are you into? Oh, I really love Ed Sheeran. Oh, seriously, I must admit, he's not really my kind of thing. You don't like him? No, I really don't. I can't stand him. Oh, well, anyway, each to their own. If you say each to their own, it means you accept that different people like different things. You recognise that people might not like the same thing as you. That's okay. Different people like different things. You can still be friends. For example, what do you want to eat tonight? How about English food? Oh, do you like English food? I love it. Seriously, each to their own. I have to say though, I'd prefer something else. If you've enjoyed this video, smash the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel to help us grow our community. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see little conversations where you might say each to their own.